Now, our next topic, types of triangles according to angles. Now, according to angles, there are three type of triangles. If in a triangle, all angles of triangle are less than 90 degree, all angles of triangle are less than 90 degree, then this triangle is called acute angle triangle. This is known as acute angled triangle. If in a triangle all angles are less than 90 degree, it is called acute angled triangle. Now in this triangle, see that here one angle is right angle. So if in a triangle, if measure of one angle is 90 degree, is known as right angled triangle. Here in this triangle, measure of this angle is 90 degree, that is right angle. So it is called right angled triangle. And in this triangle, a measure of any one angle is more than 90 degree. If in a triangle, measure of any one angle is more than 90 degree, it is called obtuse angled triangle. This is the obtuse angled triangle. Obtuse angled triangle. So according to angle, there are three types of triangle: acute angle triangle, right angle triangle, and obtuse angle triangle. Now, what is the meaning of congruence, or when we can say that the two figures are congruent? Two figures are congruent means their shape and size are same. For example, bangles. So if you have two bangles, the two bangles have same shape and size, means two bangles or two circles are same, that is congruent. So if two figures are congruent, it means their shape and size are same. So we can say that these two figures are congruent. See that here we have triangle ABC and another triangle PQR. Here in this triangle, here AB is 4 cm. Here PQ is also 4 cm. Here BC is 5.5 cm. Here QR is 5.5 cm. AC is 5 cm. PR is 5 cm. Here AB corresponds to PQ and both are same. AB corresponds to PQ, both are same. That is AB equal to PQ. BC and QR are corresponding side. That is BC equal to QR. And AC is corresponds to PR. Here BC corresponds to QR. They are same. AC corresponds to PR. They are also same. So here these corresponding sides of both the triangles are same, and their shape and size both are same. This triangle is called congruent triangle. If you measure their angles, means here angle A and angle P are also same. Angle B, angle Q are same, and angle C and angle R are also same, means corresponding angles and corresponding sides of both the triangles are same. So we can say that both the triangles are congruent, because here this triangle is equilateral. Equilateral triangle is always equiangular triangle. So here in both the triangle corresponding sides are same, corresponding angles are same. So we can say that both the triangles are congruent. So what is the definition of congruent triangles? Two triangles are congruent if the sides and angles of one triangle are equal to the corresponding sides and angles of other triangle. That is, here in both the triangle, angle A congruent to angle P. This is the symbol of congruence. Angle A congruent to angle P. Angle B congruent to angle Q. Angle C congruent to angle R. And AB congruent to PQ. AB same as PQ. BC same as QR. And AC same as PR. So corresponding angles and corresponding sides are same. So we can say that both the triangle are congruent, and both the triangle are congruent. In symbol we write that triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR. Now our next topic, criteria for congruence of triangles. Now when we can say that two triangles are same, we can say that two triangles are same if the corresponding angles of two triangles and corresponding sides of two triangles are same. Then we can say that both the triangles are equal. So it is not necessary. Now it is not necessary that all angles of one triangle, corresponding angles of one triangle. Now criteria for congruence of triangles. So there are 5 criteria for congruence of triangles: S for sides and A for angles. First criteria, side equals side. Second, side side side. Third, angle side angle. Fourth, angle angle side. And then R for right angle, H for hypotenuse, and S for side. So SAS that is side angle side. SSS that is side side side. ASA that is angle side angle. AAS that is angle side. And RHS, R that is for right angle, H for hypotenuse, and S for side, right angle hypotenuse side. So now I will explain these 5 criteria. Now see that here both the triangles, say this triangle is ABC and this is PQR. Triangle ABC, triangle PQR. Here AB is 2 centimeter, PQ is also 2 centimeter. Means AB equal to PQ. Right? AB equal to PQ. And AB is corresponds to PQ. Here BC corresponds to QR. BC corresponds to QR. BC and QR are corresponding sides and also they are same. So that is BC equal to QR, and angle B is corresponds to angle Q, and both are also same. Angle B congruent to angle Q, that is angle B is equal to angle Q. So angle B equal to angle Q. So here we have for both the triangles corresponding two pair of corresponding sides are same. Two pair of corresponding sides are same, and included angle. Included angle means here this angle B is common angle of AB and BC. Here Q is common angle of PQ and QR. So here angle B is a common angle of AB and BC, that is angle B is included angle of AB and BC. Angle Q is included angle of PQ and QR. So in a two triangle, two pair of corresponding sides are same, and included angle of both the sides are also same. So we can say that both the triangles are congruent. Both the triangles are congruent means the remaining corresponding sides, that is AC and PR, are also same. Angle A and angle P are also same. Angle C and angle R are same. That is remaining corresponding sides and remaining corresponding angles are also same. So this criteria is called side angle side. It is called side angle side criteria. So by this criteria both the triangle are congruent, that is triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR by SAS criteria. Now here in both the triangle, here I have drawn the rough figure. I have not taken the measure. Suppose in both the triangle, here say this triangle is ABC and this triangle is PQR. Now here AB and PQ are 3 centimeter. BC corresponds to QR also 3 centimeter. AC corresponds to PR and AC is equal to PR. So here the corresponding sides of both the triangles are same. That is AB equal to PQ, BC equal to QR, and AC equal to PR. So that is side. So by SAS criteria both the triangles are same. Therefore by SAS criteria both the triangle ABC and PQR are congruent. ABC and PQR are congruent. So it is called side criteria. Now here in both the triangle, see that here say that this is a PQR and this is XYZ. Triangle PQR and triangle XYZ. Here angle Q is same as angle Y. That is angle Q equal to angle Y. Angle Q is equal to angle Y. QR and YZ equal to 4 centimeter. QR and YZ are corresponding sides, and angle R is same as angle Z. That is angle Q and angle Y are same, angle R and angle Z are also same, and Q are equal to YZ. So here these two angles are same, corresponding angles are same. Angle Q corresponds to angle Y angle R correspond to angle Z. So corresponding angles are same. Two pair of corresponding angles are same, and the included side of both the angle. Here QR is included side of angle Q and angle R. YZ is included side of angle Y and angle Z. So included side of both the angles are also same. So this type of criteria is called angle side angle. So by which criteria? By ASA criteria, both the triangle PQR is congruent to triangle XYZ. Now here in this figure, say that this is triangle PQR and this is a triangle XYZ. Now here angle P and angle X are same, corresponding angles are same. Angle Q and angle Y are same, and angle and PR is same as XZ. So here this side, it is not the included side of both the angle, it is the different side of both this triangle, because the included side of both the angle is PQ. So this is not the included side of both the angle. So here if the corresponding two pair of corresponding angles are same, and the side which is not included of both the triangle are same. So by angle side criteria, both the triangle are same. By angle side criteria, because this is the angle, this angle are same, this angle are same, and this side, it is not included side of both the angles. So by angle side criteria, both the triangle PQR is congruent to triangle XYZ. Now here in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, see that both this angle B and angle Q are right angle, so they are same. Here AC is opposite to right angle, it is called hypotenuse. Here PR is also hypotenuse of triangle PQR, and AC and PR are same. And corresponding hypotenuse of both the triangle are same, and the corresponding side BC is same as QR. So if in a two triangle, the right angle are same, hypotenuse are same. Here AC and PQR are hypotenuse, and AC and PR are same. This is the symbol. Means here we can say that these both the sides are same. Here BC and QR are same. So the right angle are same, corresponding hypotenuse are same, and corresponding sides are same. So by RHS criteria, both the triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQ. Both the triangle are congruent. So these are the important criteria, 5 criteria: side angle side, side, ASA, angle side angle, angle S, AAS and RHS. R that is right angle, H that is hypotenuse, and S that is side. So right angle, hypotenuse, side. So these are the important criteria for the congruence of triangles. These criteria we use in the exercise to prove that two triangles are congruent. You have to write the definition and this explanation in your maths notebook. Now, our first question, exercise 7.1. In quadrilateral ACBD, in quadrilateral ACBD, here in this quadrilateral ACBD, AC and AD are same. See that AC equal to AD, and AB bisects angle A. AB bisects the angle A, and show that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. And what can you say about BC and BD? So here in question number 1, we have given that in quadrilateral ACBD, AC equal to AD, it is given, and also we have given that AB is a bisector of angle A. AB is the bisector of angle A, means bisector means AB is a bisector of angle A, means AB divides the angle A in a two equal parts. This angle CAB and angle BAD are same because bisector, bi means two. So this side AB divides the angle A in two equal parts. That is angle CAB is same as BAD, and AC is given, AC equal to AD. If they are same, it is given. We have to prove that triangle ABC is congruent to ABD. So first we write the data that is given. Data that is given. We have given here in quadrilateral okay. So in this example we have given that is data. But we have given in the quadrilateral ACBD, AC is same as AD. AC is equal to AD. I have written. And AB bisect angle A. We have to prove that triangle ABC congruent to triangle ABD. Now we know that to prove that two triangles are congruent, we have to use the five criteria. Five criteria I have explained you: side, angle, side, angle, side, ASA, angle, side, angle, RHS, and side. So from these five criteria, we have to apply the one criteria. Now I have explained you. Here we have AC and AD are same. Here we have to prove that both the triangle are same. So we are means proof for triangle ABC and triangle ABD. What we have to given first? AC and AD are same. AC is and AD are. AC and AD are corresponding side of both the triangle. It is AC equal to AD. Here we have given. Now here AB bisect angle A. Now AB bisect angle A means these both the angle are same because AB divides the angle A in a two equal part. AB, it is a bisector of angle A. So AB divides the angle A in two equal part. So therefore which two angle are same? Angle CAB is same as BAD. Angle CAB equal to CAB equal to DAB. CAB equal to DAB. Both the angle are same because what is the reason? AB bisect angle A. AB bisects angle A. Now Also see that here AB is the side of triangle ABC and AB is also side of triangle ABD. So AB is the common side and it is same. AB equal to AB because AB is the common side of both the triangle. So common side is always same. AB equal to AB. We can say 2 equal to 2, 3 equal to 3. So here AB is equal to AB because it is a common side of both the triangle. Triangle ABC and triangle ABD. So here we can see that the two pair of corresponding sides are same. Two pair. One pair AC equal to AD, another pair AB equal to AB. So two pair of corresponding sides are same and included angle. See that here angle CAB is included angle of CA and AB, and here this angle DAB is included angle of AD and AB. So included angle of both the triangle are also same. So we can say that by side angle side. See that side angle side, here also side angle side. So by, therefore by SAS criteria both the triangle are congruent, that is triangle ABC congruent to triangle ABD. This we have to prove.